Now we will start with the second set of questions. Which parameter or argument is used to create a series? So we can use argument means using a ND array you can create a series, using a list, using a series, so all of the above. So you can see here all of the above, the green tick is here. So all of the above is the correct answer. Next question, select the correct answer for 1, 2 and 3. Questions are given here. First question is sum, second is mean and third is median of the maximum temperature. Now first is sum. For sum, which one is correct? Yes. Now for mean, dot mean we will use. So you can simply cut off whichever is wrong. Like you can see this third option, you cannot write mean inside the square bracket, so this is wrong. So you remove this. Clear? Then the last one, so here you can see sum, rainfall, mean and LOC of all the max temperature dot median. These are all the functions. So functions we will write. Now how to cross the, now first one, what was the mistake? Anybody? Colon is not written, so all it hasn't taken. Third one, what is the mistake in the third one? Square bracket should be after rainfall, it is wrong. Fourth one, what is wrong in the fourth one? Max temperature should be in single quotes. These are strings, so it will be in single quotes. So better is you mark the mistakes with your pen and make it cross. So the second one is the correct answer. Which function of Python is used to create array? Array means you are using array only. So here array you can use. Now you can use arrange linspace also for creating the array in NumPy. So in NumPy all three functions create the array. So array, arrange and linspace, all of the above. So here you can check the answer, all of the above. Next, which of the following thing can be data in pandas? In pandas, your dictionary, your ND array, your scalar value, all. So fourth one is the correct option, all of the mentioned. Which of the following input can be accepted by data frame? In data frame, you can take input data from ND array, series, all of the above. So this also all of the above. Next, best way to import pandas module is import pandas, one method. Second method is import pandas as p correct. From pandas import star. So all of the above. Here the fourth option is correct. Any one you can use to import pandas. Next, which of the following statement will import pandas? Okay, this is also same thing, only in this import pandas as py is correct. You can see only second one is correct. Panda spelling is wrong in the first one. So the second one will be the correct answer. Now this is over. Now the next series of questions will be from pandas